Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a server-side template injection in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. It is a basic server-side template injection with code context. So we've got the Tornado template engine. We need to review the documentation, how to execute arbitrary code, and then delete that file from Carlos's home directory. We have our own account we can log into. Let's check out the hint. Preferred name. Okay, let's open up the lab. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. Let's also look at Tornado. Oh, whoops. I'm gonna load up Burp real quick. Temporary project. There we go. Forgot to do that. No problem. We got it now. Tornado template engine documentation. All right. And let's go there. Tornado. This is what we want. Read the docs. Tornado web. I don't know which one's better. Okay. Let's search for security here. Security fixes. We want like security implications. I don't think this is right. Then cookies, no. User, yeah, this is user authentication. Okay, what's this? We don't want that. Let's first look at the get an idea of the syntax. Am I looking at the right thing? Because right now this looks like what am I looking at? Tornadoes. No, we got the wrong thing. Tornado, whatever that was, a simple compiles templates to Python code. Oh, maybe it is what we want. This is where we just were. Template syntax. That's what we're looking for. All right, so let's check if this and is our thing. So because of the hints, we're going to go to my account. Wiener Peter. Your username. Preferred name. Interesting. So what if we submit this? And then first name. So this changed this output. Nickname. It didn't change any output, but if we go to home, is there anything different here? No, I don't see, unless we're an author, maybe. So what I'm trying to find out is what does that change, right? That drop down box. so far, Andy Trick. I'm going to open link in new tab. And so because it doesn't seem like this changed anything that I can see. So far, at least. Nick O Time. Let's change this to name. Once that's done, let's view post again. Andy Trick. Nick O Time. Carry a tune. What did I do? So 1, 2, 3. So we're now this one, that one, that one. We're just looking for someplace that outputs, and it could be on that my account page. Am I Rich Man? Selma Soul. J Bell, Rich Man, Sandy Pants, Pull a Muscle. It could be just this. Let's assume it is. So, and let's submit this one more time just so it's at the top of our requests. Proxy, HTTP history. So this one, send to repeater. All right. So right now, right here, what we want to do is try to break up the, what was the formatting was, yeah. So I'm going to do this and hope that I get an error. 302 found. Let's go here. And see if we get an error. Hello? Preferred name. I didn't get an error there. Or there. Well, what was the hint? Preferred name functionality. So we're on the right track. Let's do XSS. I really wish I could figure out where this is freaking being rendered. Oh, maybe I need to. That's my problem right there. Sorry. My bad. We submitted on post 10. Okay. Here's where it's being reflected. And look how it did this. So we were able to close out. See how we put it before the XSS? That means the pair after XSS became part of the next, was injected along, not injected, but was included as plain text. So let's look at here. So we've got the location. How can I prove it to you? We can do, let's do the 7 plus 7 times 7, like this, and this should produce first name, so it's Peter 49, right? Or we can do 7 times this, which should be Peter with 7 sevens after it. There we go. Peter with 7 sevens after it. So we've got the location. Now we just need to figure out how to execute system commands. So let's see system. Let's see if it has something easy we can find. Well, we can just input like, we can do regular Python right here, which would be display. Is there another? So sometimes languages have, yeah, like this that doesn't produce output. So what if we did percent and then did boom boom dot import OS. Let's just try this, but let's add it as an import or a string. So I'm going to take this, do like that, take all of this, Control U. I don't know if this is right yet. I don't think I'm doing something right. This doesn't look right to me, is what I'm trying to say. Let's go back to here, back to here. String has no object import. So Python SSTI. Well, we can look for known in tornado. Python, let's do tornado SSTI. I don't know if this is cheating. It may be. But this is how I do it in a real attack. This would be my first place. And this is in our list. It's known exploits. So may as well try to look for it. So, yeah. Okay. There we go. So we want to go back to here and let's do it right here. Except for I'm going to take off this last one so that what's currently there will complete this. And I'm going to Control U that. All right, let's see what that does. Dang it. Oh no, still loading. Peter. So we're Carlos. Interesting. And just to prove it to you, let's do a space here. Space or let's do like a colon. So we know, where our answer is. And then we can do ID and go here. We should have a colon and then the ID. Sweet. And, we can extract that. Oh, we just need to delete a file. So we can do RM. And what was it that we needed to delete? From Carlos morale.txt. Let's make sure it's there again. ls home Carlos. And we will boom, boom. And I don't like how it's so close, so I'm going to put a space there. And we want to go here. There's our morale.txt. So that's all we got to delete. So this is how we're going to do it. Let's set up, we need a CSRF and we need to be logged in with a session and then get the CSRF token and then submit the... Do we need to view it? Yeah, we probably need to view it also. All right. To execute the code. So this is called SSTI basic code context. Let's just call it basic code context. No use including SSTI. I mean, we're in the SSTI folder, right? So template here. Okay. We're in a blog. And that change word blog may be important only because we need to log in and view a post and stuff. So I do want to make sure we're using blog. Let's start with logging in. So I don't know if that's in site login. It is username and password. And what do we need to give it? What do we get back? We get a response back, I'm sure. Resp equals blog.login. User will be Wiener. Password is Peter. And just to double check. Oh, we get resp and cookies. Well, can't we just get the cookies? Oh well, cookies equals, and then let's log these. Log.debug, resp.text, and log.debug cookies. We'll need to get the CSRF token from here and then our session token there. So Python basic -d and here. And we need to also post a comment. We should probably we should log in, post a comment, change it, view the comment. All right. So let's make sure we got logged in. Have not solved. My account. Yeah, we definitely got logged in. Here's the form, CSRF, that we need. But I said we need to log in. Boom. Create comment. Change preferred name. View comment. And then we'll do is solved. Okay. So to create the comment, we need to go to that page, which should be in blog. Get post right here. We're going to log in first. Make sure we get a 200 with, is there anything, your username? We'll make sure that's in the page to know we successfully logged in. So if not resp.status code equals 200, and if not that, and not in. So if both of these are false, I hate doing Boolean logic with ands when there's multiple. In resp.text, if this is not true and this is not true, or we need an or, not an and. Change word, or. So if either, both of these have to be true for us to continue. If either of them are not, we're going to log.error. Could not log in as wiener exiting sys.exit -1. Okay. Verified we logged in. Now, let's grab our cookies, which we logged last. Let's get our CSRF session cookie. So cookies session token equals cookies.session. We need that because we're going to use it when we get the post. So, and let's make sure, do I need this? I probably still do. Get post, we don't have, let's add that. Cookies equals none. Let's say URL log and get response. Get response does allow, get response does allow cookies. See that right? On that line, cookies equals none. So cookies equals cookies. And we need our session token when we get that because we want it to already know who we are. So get post blog.get post. What do we need? We just need the post ID and then the cookies. We don't need to pull out the session. We can add in, so let's do it to 1 and just do cookies as equals cookies. This resp equals, let's log.debug resp.text. Delete this. So we're logging in, and then we're going to go view what I want to make sure is this form, yeah, it doesn't ask for username or anything like that. So we're going to post as our user, which is exactly what I wanted. We need to grab that CSRF token and then submit that form. So let's comment that out. And we are now doing create comment. So CSRF equals utils.extract text. I think what it is, extract text, pattern, and then text. So our pattern, same as we always do, is going to be name. I need to do name equals. Do I have like a extract CSRF? We do it so often. I'm going to do it. Def extract CSRF. We're not going to. Oh, we need the text. And then we're going to pattern equals single quote name equals double quote CSRF space value equals double quote dot asterisk question mark end at the double quote. And then we're going to do return extract text pattern text. Boom. There we go. CSRF equals resp.text log.debug f CSRF CSRF. Let's make sure it works. And let's name this something a little bit more so we know which CSRF it is. So we're going to name this comment CSRF. Comment CSRF equals comment CSRF. How can we have getting blog post, getting response from? That seems weird. We got the CSRF, but where's that getting response from? Oh, okay. Blog posted logging. I get it. Because this logs getting blog post, and then it calls get response, and get response logs that. Okay, that's fine. It's a little verbose, but whatevs. We've got the CSRF token. What else do we need? Post CSRF. We need the post ID, which let's make that a post ID equals 1, something variable, and we'll do that here, post ID, and then we're going to send this post, so we need CSRF post ID and then comment. Do we have an easy way to send a post? I don't think we do. Post exploit. All right, no problem. We can do a, the way we normally blah. If blog.no proxy, we want resp equals, and then request.post. This didn't, no, we don't need any extra cookies. Request.post. We need the URL, which is post comment. So blog.base URL plus post / comment. And I know we have a post comment form, but I don't want to use that because it has a bunch of other stuff we don't need this time. Data equals data. Cookies equals cookies. I think that's it. Let's define data equals a dictionary with CSRF, comment CSRF, post ID, post ID, comment. This is, we don't care what this is. This is only to, this comment is only used to get our name written up there. Okay. Now we can do else, do the same, but add in the proxies and the verify equals false. Proxies equals utils.proxies verify equals false. Log.debug resp.text. All right, let's go that far and make sure we've written a comment. Oh. Invalid CS session does not contain a CS. So we did not provide the right cookies. Let's see what actually happened. So we got the home page. Boom. We got a session. We logged in. We got a new session. Or no, we got the user page, login page, got a new session. Got this and got this session. This is the session we should be using. And we're not. Well, let's see. So 2ZM and we're not using it. Oh, no, we are, but we're just... So we effed up somewhere. We got to overwrite this session with the new session after we log in. Where's the login? Where successfully logged in? So this was our login. We got this as a response. Get post. And right here is where we mess up somewhere. So let's do this. Let's do log.debug cookies here and log.debug resp.cookies.get session. Let's check those two. So I think this one will have what we want. Nope, it doesn't. So successfully logged in. Where? Right here. PQA, and what we need is this. So if it's not in response.cookies, headers.get, change word, set cookie. like that. We could, of course, use session. Again, we got none. Should we just use the session? All right, fine. So sesh equals request dot session. But session doesn't work with all of our manual stuff. So why didn't this work? Resp.headers. Let's just do this. That's the reason I avoid session, is because this is the only one that requests that a session would be. There we go. What the? Content type, cache control, blog.login. When we post to login, we get set cookie. Why aren't we not? Here's login. Here's the post, and we're saving that response. I don't understand why we're not getting. Oh, is it following the redirect? It must be automatically. So how do we? I always forget how to tell. What is it? Requests, follow, redirect. So many. Allow redirects. So when we do login, do we allow redirects? No. Is it doing it on purpose? So allow redirects equals false. What do we put that just there for now? See how that works out. Well, we screwed something up. Let's see, post login. See, that's what I want. That's the response I want. It was, something's going, so when we posted, it got a new session, and then when we redirected, it actually used that cookie in the redirect instead of overriding it. So here, so I'm going to add a little bit more to this. Allow redirects equals false. And then here, if resp.status code equals 302, session resp.cookies.get session, and then we're going to and then we want to follow that redirect. Do we want? We don't care. Let's add a flag here. Follow, allow, redirects equals. We'll default it to true. No, yeah, sure. And then allow redirects. Change word, allow redirects. Changing word, allow redirects. All right. If not, change word, allow redirects. So if we're not going to do a redirect, session equals, or we can just return the resp, which we should have done in the first place. Return resp instead of resp, comma cookies, but whatever. We'll do it like that. And then here, we should now have the freaking session. REM. Cookies should be none. Oh, we forgot to do the allow redirects. Allow redirects equals false. So this should be just resp. We can kill this. Log dot. We can kill this. And log dot debug resp dot cookies dot get session, or log dot debug. Well, let's try that first. And I'm gonna comment out all of that. Sorry this is taking so long. It should be simple. I just have some architectural issues. Okay. So session, and now post, we did it. So we're looking for FBS, and that's what we actually have there. Perfect. So we can do now add session equals this. We can leave that. Let's uncomment out all of this. Get post cookies equals session, and then we get the post. Okay. Now let's try it. I have some architectural issues with that get login or login function. I'm going to have to fix one day. All right. We were able to successfully post a comment, and boom. Comment has been submitted. All right, so we created a comment. That means our author name is now there. Now we need to change the preferred name, which is in repeater. We need to do this action, which we shouldn't need to. We need to visit the My Account page again. Probably. Yeah, because, well, I don't know. Does the CSRF, well, whatever. Let's just deliver resp equals blog.get response. And we want my account, which is just the my dash account. Oh, it has ID. I don't know if we need that. Let's try without this. That works fine too. Okay. 3, blog get response, self.base, no, blog.base URL plus this. We need to make sure we use cookies equals cookies, the same cookies we defined up there. Let's make sure that get response allows cookies. Boom. And then blog my cookies. That should be it. And then we can get the log.debug resp.text, the CSRF token, extract that, submit the form, and then go back and view the comment. So assuming we successfully get this, we need preferred name. Perfect. Preferred CSRF equals utils.extract CSRF resp.text. I love that. I love that function already. Preferred CSRF. And now we need to submit a form, this, with the CSRF. So we're going to do the same that we did here, just change the URL. And the values, which is in data, CSRF will be preferred CSRF. We don't need post ID. We just need blog post author display, which is right there. Name, blog post author display. Copy, paste, DT this. This is going to be our payload. It will automatically URL encode that for us. Is that right? I don't know. I don't know if it will. Let's payload. I can't remember. Equals. Let's put in this one to start with. So we want user.first name, boom boom, space, or boom boom. Oh no, we want boom percent, and then import OS is the first line. And really I'm just doing this. Let's Control Shift U, and then we can just copy this. read to here. Copy. And we can change the R to single quotes. Data. That. We're going to post it. I don't know if we need to check the response. We can log.bug resp.text. And then we should... Sorry, somebody was pulling in my driveway. What do we want to do? Oh, view the comment. So log blog.get post ID, which is the same as we should have somewhere up here, right there. And we don't need the cookies this time. I mean, we can. Cookies equals cookies, but it doesn't matter who we visit it as, the exploit will happen. Oh, and we really need to resp equals log.debug resp.text. Really should do that. So right now our payload is ls. So if things worked, invalid blog post ID. Well, crap. What quest? Where was that? This was right after we post ID, which should be 1. Blog.get post. It's here. Get post should be post ID cookies. Let's go to proxy, see how we did. So, got the home page. Boom. We got the login page to pull the CSRF token. Posted, successfully posted. And then we use that session token right here to get post 1, which had a form for us to comment right there. We posted a comment with session, post ID, good. And then we were redirected. Thank you for your comment. Looks like we did that well. Then we went back to get my account. We're still logged in. We post comment. That's the wrong URL. That's got to be why. Right here, we forgot to change this one. Repeater. As URL is this. That was a silly mistake. Okay. Data, cookies. Yeah. All right. If this succeeds, then we just need to change our payload here to the RM and then do blog is solved. Blog.is solved. Error. User interface. Oh, great. So we messed up somewhere. Proxy. So we got the home page. Logged in. We got post 1. And we should have posted a comment with blah. And then, yep, we got the confirmation. Then we got our account. We're logged in. We posted this. And we went back to my account. No errors there. And then we ran get post ID 1, which had a user instance has no attribute first name. Are we using the same session? We are. So our payload user.firstname. I wonder if there's something we did wrong. User.firstname. Let's see how it got posted here. Looks, it got all URL encoded just like we want. Well, we can take that part out. I don't know why we'd need to. User instance has no first name. I thought that was one of the options. We don't need it, but I would like to know. Oh, look. Underscore. What? Is that the reason? And why did it work in repeater? Oh, great. Oh, now we've effed up post 1. We need to... Well, we'll fix it when we do the first name. We don't have it solved, of course, but hey, look, there we go. Morale.txt. That's what we wanted. We got a bunch of them. So we did fix it with the underscore in first name. And let's solve it. Let's change to post ID 2. And we'll solve it with our rm carlos / morale.txt. And we check if it's solved. So, finally, let's run this. This is how you turn a simple exploit into a super long video. Anyway, this is very cool. Did we already write down this? No. Let's, what is it? Tornado. And we did, our payload was basically this. Control-Shift-U. I don't know what this is, but copy to clipboard. Whoops. Control-Z. Okay. We did need a freaking there. Let's see, did we end up solving it? Lab is solved. Close. 1. Let's get our banner. Boom. All right, awesome. So just to recap, we identified the location of the injection, used that. We also identified the template engine and its formatting types. And then combined, we was able to determine where the output, because we did want to see that, was being displayed, and that was a comment. And then used the template engine to run, whatever command we wanted. We listed the home Carlos contents and then removed the file. We did that all here as well. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.